Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check reported temperature on your map on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings or the menu icon in the right side of the screen down below. That's the third option. Go to the display on map section and you should click on the reported temperature icon. Go back and here you can see the reported temperatures all over the map. So if you want to know more about a particular area concerning the temperature, tap on the relevant one and here you are going to see a detailed description concerning the weather. Here you can see a chart down below concerning all the relevant information. You can go further if you want to check out the following days weather. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.